right, I'm going to do, first I'm going to do two problems for you involving circumference and area. These problems are problems where you are given a circumference or an area and you need to solve using RIDCA. You're either solving for the radius, solving for the diameter, um, or solving for the circumference or area. So here we go. Hopefully this helps you. If not, please contact me so that we can get you in here one morning and make sure you understand this. So to start with, they give you the circumference of 62 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my 62 centimeters next to my C. My formula for circumference is C equals 2 pi r. Now I'm going to fill in what I know. I know that my circumference is 62. I know that my 2 stays the same. I know that pi is 3.14. And I do not know r, so r is going to stay as a variable. Now I just have an equation that I'm going to solve. So 2 times 3.14 gives me 6.28 times r. I've just simply rewritten my expression. Now I'm solving for r, so I need to divide both sides by 6.28 to get r equals, so I have 62 divided by 6.28 to give me 9.87. So my radius should be 9.87 centimeters. As we know, my radius is from the center to the outside edge. So if this is 9.87, my diameter is from the center, from one side across through the center to the other side. So I know that my radius times 2 will give me my diameter. So 9.87 times 2 will give me 19.74 centimeters. And then to find the area, I have area equals pi r squared. That's the formula for area. I'm going to fill in what I know. I do not know my area. I know pi is always 3.14. And I know my radius. So my radius squared. When I solve this, it's 9.87 squared. So 9.87 times 9.87 times 3.14 will give me area equaling 305.89 when I round to the nearest hundredth. If you need to look at this, pause the video so that you can look at it and go through what I just went through with you. The next one over here, we are given the area and we are asked to find RIDCA. So I'm going to start with my area formula, which is A equals pi r squared. Now I'm going to fill in what I know. I know that my area is 68. I know that pi is 3.14. I do not know my radius. So now I'm going to solve for r. In order to get r squared by itself, I need to divide both sides by 3.14. To give me 21.66 equals r squared. This is the part that's new to you, maybe a little unfamiliar. In order to get this square off of my radius, I have to square root what my radius is equal to. So 21.66, and then I'm going to use the square root button. It's the button directly to the left of your divided by key to get 4.65 is what r equals. So again, I know that my radius is half of the circle from the center to the side. So my diameter would be all the way across. My diameter is twice the length of my radius. So 4.65 times 2 would give me 9.3 feet for my diameter, Now I'm just left finding my circumference. My formula for circumference is C equals 2 pi r. I'm going to plug in what I know. I do not know my circumference. I know that 2 stays 2. I know that pi is 3.14. I know my radius is 4.65. So 2 times 3.14 times 4.65 will give me that my circumference equals 29.2 feet. So hopefully seeing me do this on the video, you can pause it, go back and watch it. And everything that I've done here can be applied to all of the other questions we've done for circles. The formulas are the same. Circumference formula is always the same. Area formula is always the same. Also, below this video, you should be able to find the circle song that we've been watching in class nearly every day. Watch that over and over again. It will help you memorize those formulas. And remember, they are not on your reference sheet that you'll be using for the assessment here in my class, as well as any other assessments that you're given. So please let me know if you don't get this. Thanks.